G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is May 25th, 2023. This is the high-grade copper technical analysis. So first we look at the weekly and the daily trends, and they're both in a bearish momentum primarily. So let's look at the weekly first. So again, we look at the triple moving average of the price chart, moving average 3, 5 and 60, combined with the moving average 5 and 50 of the CCI 150, and that gives us a bearish signal. So primarily bearish trends only to be taken. I did draw this Fibonacci previous just as a reference guide. It did bounce off the 61% level, and that's always a key area to look out for. So in other words, it's either going to bounce off that and return or retrace to the downside, or had it broken through to the upside, that would have been a break of the downtrend here. So this is a continuation of the downtrend longer term on the weekly. On the daily, same logic with the moving averages. We're in a bearish momentum primarily, but you notice more specifically it's come and hit this ascending diagonal trend line, which we drew some time ago, and it's actually landed on that and resting there for the time being. But also notice between that Fibonacci range, between that low at 32,400 to the resistance up there at 43,568, it's actually come and rested just on a 61% level, or maybe broken below it on that trend line. Again, as I said in the previous chart, that is a key area, so it may bounce from there possibly, or if it breaks through this trend line and below the 61%, then it's going to be a bearish outlook for high-grade copper. And on the hourly chart, if I zoom out, I've got here a couple of things. Again, taking trades primarily, because remember, we only trade in direction when the weekly and the daily are aligned, and they are at the moment. So we only take bearish trades only predominantly. So if you're trading bearish signals, again, you can see here there was a bit of history with this profitability chart up here, and these steps show, or inverted steps, showing bearish trades to be taken only. So there were a couple of average down taken there in those steps, and the single lines indicate one entry or one contract and one exit of those contracts entered. So again, remember just to always trade in direction of the weekly and daily trend to have a better probability of success. You can see there where that average down during those periods, that's we're primarily going short, so only taking when the daily is in a short environment and when the weekly is also in a short environment. So to understand how to trade this and other trading strategies, reference the links in the description below to subscribe to my Patreon page, where we also do scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.